Alright guys, so you saw my previous video. This is gonna it's not moving. You saw I can move it down, right? Look, you see this? Clean. Makes it move, but I don't know what Max does. I haven't tried. I don't want to try. This is not ours. These are my grandparents, but like the dock, it's harder to press. It makes it go to its original point. Oh, alright, just clean. Alright, it's gonna make it go back to its charging point. That's what dock will do. So. You know what, I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna, it won't find it. It can take forever. Now it's gonna go, see that's the charger over there? Alright, you know what, I'm gonna move it closer so it will work. So guys, that's the charger right there. And now it's gonna go there, so I'm gonna press dock. Hopefully it would find it. It'll go slower too, but look, it's gonna find it. It found it, yeah. Yeah, it found it, so now it's charging. So that's how that works. That's actually cool. I'm gonna take the GoPro off. Guys, I used a suction cup for all this, so yeah, that's cool. So make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out. If you saw my TikTok, then that's insane, bro. Then yeah, peace.